Welcome to Livewire Matlab. Today we are going to see about fuzzy logic controller in Matlab. For that we have to apply fuzzy in command window. After that our fuzzy logic controller will be opened. In edit window, add variable input 1. Here we have 2 inputs and 1 output respectively. Next to that we have to export this to workspace. In workspace we have to give the name for the saved page as tipper, then OK. After clicking OK, we have to give an input variable as service, and second one is input 2 variable as food. We have 2 inputs, one is service, another is food. Next, third output is tipper. Tipper is the third output. Here I placed. Is this tipper? We have to double click the service. Here 3 variables are inside the 3 functions: member function 1, member function 2, member function 3. For that I am giving a range as 0 to 10. Here I am going to change the name of mf1 as poor, P-O-O-R. Then I am going to apply the range as parametric range of 1.5 to 0 as range. Here I am 1.5 is 1, 0.5 and 0 and Gauss MF type. Okay. Next to that MF2. In MF2 I am giving a name as good. Then Gauss MF I am going to give a range as 1.5 to 10. Next to that MF3. In MF3 I am going to give a name as excellent, as same as Gauss MF. Then goes to parameters, and parameters here as I am applying 1.5 to 15 or 10. Then click OK. As per us, we want to give it for all those 3 elements, 2 inputs and 1 output respectively. Here, the fuzzy logic controller mainly used for member function plots. Next, go to foot path. Here, I have 3 variables. I am going to remove these 3 variable member functions as edit, remove all member function. Then I am going to add a new member function, add mf, and its type is, there are 2 member functions. I select 2. Then member function trap mf. Then OK. Here my 2 functions has been created in food. I am going to change the variable as wrap seed name, member function name as wrap seed. Then I am going to give an range. Here I am giving the range as 0 to 10 and mf name as wrap seed. Then the member type as tram mf. Then I am going to give a parameters as 0, 0, 1 and 3. As per respectively, the graph has been plotted. You want to give the same manual input for service, food and tipper also. And second one is mf2 I am given as delicious. In delicious part we are giving as DELICIOUS and range as 0 to 10 and type as trap mf. Here parameters are 7, 9, 10 and 10. Our delicious graph will be plotted as same per a rapid plot as to be plotted as 0, 0 and 1, 3. You want to give space between 1 and 3 or else there will be a error as per I showing in the figure. Yeah, now our graph will be plotted. Then for the output tape, it has 3 inputs. One is mf1, mf2, mf3. I am giving a range as 0 to 30. In mf1, want to change mf1 to cheap and its type is trim f and parametric range as 0, 5 and 10. Our cheap graph will be plotted. Next to that MF2, in MF2 I am plotted as average. In average path, the type is trim MF and parameters as 10, 15 and 20. These graph waves are manual wave. We can given the input as manual. And third one is name as generous, type trim MF, params as 20, 25 and 30. Our plot has been plotted in member function, cheap, average and generous. After completing this process, go to edit, then rules. In rules, we want to select 3 types. First one is poor, rapeseed and cheap. We want to select connection as OR. Next to that, good, delicious, average. Third one is excellent, delicious and average. Add rule. After completing this process, our 3 processes has been displayed in function. Then go to file, view, rules. In the rules page, we have 3 types. One is member function 1, member function 2, member function 3. Yeah, member function is 1 is service, second one is food, third one is tip. This service equal to 5 is input 1, food is input 2, tip is output 1. Yeah, it will be differently show as member function 1, 2, 3 and in food as member function 1, 2, it is final output. In tip as member function 1, member function 2, cheap, average and generous. Final one is error percentage between 0 and 30.